Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can insert a new column or a new row in Microsoft Excel, right? So that's what we're going to be looking at in this tutorial. But before you get started, I just want to ask you, like, if this is your first time, please do consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, let's get started. Now, as you can see, I already have my Microsoft Excel open up here, right? So I just have this simple estimation in here. So let's say you want to add a new column or a new row. So we're going to start with new column, right? So if you want to add a new column, just click on wherever you want to add a new column, right? Click on there, and then let's say you want to add it right here. So click on the column up here, come up to this column. As you can see, I selected this column up here. Now right click on it, and then you have this option, this tab that just open up. So now you can click on insert, and then as you can see, you have inserted a new column right there, right? So you can do the same, right? Let's say you wanted to insert it here, just click on the column that you want to insert, and then click on that, and then click on insert, and then as you can see, you have inserted a new column, right? So that's how you can insert a new column. Now to delete it, just right click on it again, and then you can click on delete, and that will delete the column that you just inserted. Click on it and then delete, right? So that will delete everything, right? So that's how you can insert or delete a column. So now you can do the same with the new rows, right? If you want to add a row, just click on where you want to add a row, and then this row, click on right click, and then click on insert, and that will insert the row above. As you can see, we have inserted that, right? And then if you want to remove the row, you can just right click on it and then click on delete, so that will delete the row that you just added. So yeah, that's just how you can insert or delete a column or a row in Microsoft Excel. So yeah, that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment down below, and if this was your first time, please do consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a tutorial. So with that being said, that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace, love, and unity.